Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Dhananjay. Good evening.
Good evening. Sir, are you starting surface areas and volumes today?
No, that was teaching actually for class 9th right now. That's why it was there.
Sir, you sent in our group, sir.
Sent in your group. Oh, 1 minute, 1 minute. Your group have sent. Oh, and by mistake I sent, I think. So weird, no?
Yes, sir.
This was class 9th actually. Class 9th. For class 10th, what I was doing last class?
Quadratic equations, sir.
Okay, quadratic equation. Just wait for 5 more minutes, huh?
Okay, sir. Sir, I sent you two questions which I have doubts. Sir.
You were saying something?
Sir, I have sent you two questions which I have doubt in quadratic equation.
Yeah, I've seen that. 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Quadratic equation only, right? Quadratic equation only, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. I'm just coming back. Here, why it's not showing here?
Namaste, sir.
Yes, you were telling something. Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Evening,
Where is
sir.
the good evening? Good evening. 1 minute. Just your extra questions, right? Dhananjay?
Yes.
Quadratic equation, you have some extra questions with you, right? I'll just see here. This one is right. All of you on the camera now, children. All of you on the camera. Here is your 14. Where is this? I'm searching your only. Your okay, fine. You are sending your question of class. You are sending Dhananjay.
Yes, sir. My holiday homework was
When you have to submit all this? When you have to submit?
Monday. Sir.
This coming Monday.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are not able to do these questions.
Yeah, sir. These two only.
Which school you are in?
Sir, Vikas the concept school.
Huh?
Vikas the concept school, sir.
In Hyderabad.
Yes, sir.
Children, all of you try once this question. Anyone knows this? If just try once, then I'll teach you. This is a part of quadratic equation only. Just try 9 times the side of a square. One square exceeds a perimeter of a second square by 1 meter, and 6 times the area of the second square exceed 29 times the area of the first by 1 square meter. So find the side of each square. Total, how many questions you got, Dhananjay, in this word problems?
Sir, 13.
13 questions you got totally. Word problems.
Yes, sir. 13 I got home.
Okay, fine. You are having that hard copy of that 30 questions. You can send me all the 13 questions to me.
Sir, actually, I got like 36 or something questions.
How many
All
sets?
36 questions I got in one PDF,
Huh.
and like 25 or something are normal questions like splitting
Okay.
unit.
Okay,
Shall I?
fine. You can send all questions, no problem. Okay. You can send it to, you have chapter wise they are giving to you.
No, no, sir. They gave this all day.
Acha, holiday homework only from quadratic equation or everyone, every chapters.
No, sir. Only quadratic.
Okay, fine. If you are having PDF, you can send, or you can send the photo also, not a problem. Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm sending.
Children, there are 3 men, Hansini. Then how many children joined? 9. Sana, Vihan. On your camera, all of you. And then Tanishka.
Yes, sir.
Try
Just
to-
give me 1 minute.
9 times the side of one square exceeds the perimeter of second square by 1 meter, and 6 times. So we can just directly we can write the equation. What is given that we try to write first. Okay. So I'll just write over here. See, 9 times sides of a square. Suppose a square is this one, right? This all the sides are x. So 9 times the side of a square, 9 times the side of a square, 9x, right? 9 sides, 9 times the side of a 1 square exceeds a perimeter of second square by 1 meter. Exceeds, but this is greater than, right? Perimeter of the second square. So there are 2 squares are there. Okay, then find 2 squares over here. This is y you can take, right? Y you can take. So here 9x minus exceeds a perimeter of second. Perimeter of second square, what we can write? What is perimeter of second square? 4y, right? Is equals to 1. This much all of you understood? What we are let, first you can let the side of the first square is x and side of the second square be what? Y, okay? So we can write it as per question we are writing. See, 9 times the side of 1 square. So 9 times the side of 1 square is mentioned over here. Exceeds a perimeter of second square. So perimeter of second square is here by 1, correct? Clear? So next what we can do, 6 times the area of the second square. 6 times the area of second square. What is the area of second square? Y square, right? Exceeds 29 times the area of the first one. 29 times the area of the first one by 1 square meter. By 1. This is the only question, right, Dhananjay?
Sir, this is only question.
This much is clear, no? Or having doubt in this?
No, sir, I understand.
So only this much we have to solve. So from here, from first equation, what you can do, you will just take the value of x, right? From here, what you can write? 9x is equals to what you can write? 4y plus 1. So x is equals to 4y plus 1 divided by 9. This value should put where? This side, correct? In this, we can put the value of x. Okay. So it's going a bit longer, but this way only we should do. 6y square minus 29 into 4y plus 1 divided by 9 whole square is equals to 1. So after this, you can solve, I think. All of you just find the answer now, children. Now you try, we are getting or not. Solve the value of y, what you are getting over here. It's very big, no? Plus 1. Six times the area of the second square. 29 times. It's going so long. I don't think this will be solved properly, right? Because if you multiply with 29 inside, it goes so long. 9 times the side of 1 square is mentioned, right? 9 times the side of 1 square exceeds a perimeter of second square. It's going so big. 29 to 16, if you do, it goes so big, right? Dhananjay, you are trying still.
Yes, sir.
Try this, Dhananjay. We'll do this next question. Okay. Try this one, all of you. And if you're not getting again, you ask me. All right. This is the only way. These two equations we have with us. See, these two equations we have. Just to again, we have class on Saturday. No, if you're not getting, ask. Okay, Dhananjay.
Okay.
Next question. I just see. One-fourth of the herd. Okay, this one. This is very the class 8th also. These questions are there. This kind of question, right? 1/4 of the herd of camel were seen in the forest. Okay, root part is there. No, bit complicated will come. Okay. See, 1/4 of the herd. So first let the herd be X, you can let, okay? Let the herd, total herd be what? X, okay? So 1/4 of the herd means X by 4, 1/4 of the herd were what? Camel, right? This is what? Camel. Twice the square root of herd. Twice the square root of herd had gone to mountains. This how much where they gone? They gone to mountains, okay? And remaining 15 camels were seen in the bank of river. So 15 camels seen on the river. Find the total number of camels, right? It means that if you add all these three, right? This one completely. So if you add all the three over here, so X by 4, which are in forest, these are went to the mountains. And these are the what? This should equal to what you should find? Total number. These are the total number, right? So if you add this, what should come? X only, right? Correct? No, Dhananjay?
Yes.
If you add all these things, we should come X, right? So now we try to solve now. So take LCM over here. 4. So X plus 8 root X plus 15 is equals to X. So what we can write now? X plus 8 root X plus 15 is equals to 4X. Now X will go that side, becomes what? 3X. So 3X minus 8 root X. 3X minus 8 root X minus 15 is equals to 0. So we have done 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyone having doubt in these 4 steps?
Sir, in the second step, you took LCM for 15 also, right? So
Yeah, 60 it becomes 60, right? Okay. So this becomes 60. All right. So this is also 60. This is also 60. All right. So now if you see, we can't take anything common over here, right? But one thing you understand what we can do, x and root x is there, no? So yeah, we can find that also, no problem. If you want to root x, if you want to let something, you can that if to make it easier, you can do that. Let root x is equals to y, you can let. So it becomes what? 3y square minus 8y minus 60 is equals to what? 0. Okay. Now see, 63 is a 180 minus 180 y square and minus 8y. What is the bifurcation over here? One should be positive, one should be negative. The difference of these two should be 180. So the difference should be 8. So 180 if you just do, you will get it as 90, 45, 15.
Sir, x is equal to 36. Sir.
36. No, first it will bifurcation. No. How do you bifurcate this? The splitting part, you tell me. So 5, 3s are 15, 2s are 30, 30 and 6 will not come. 5, 4s are 20, 20 and 9. No. So 5, 6 are 30. 5, 3s are 15. 15 and 8. 15 and 12.
Sir, 18 and
What 18 and
10.
yeah, 18 and 10 is correct. 18y and 10y. So here 10y should come first because positive. But 10y
Yes.
and minus 18y. So we can write here 3y square plus 10y minus 18y is minus 60 is equals to 0. So you can take common y over here. So 3y plus 10. And what is common in 18 and 60? 6, right? 6 is common. So 3y plus 10 is equals to 0. So we got y minus 6 and 3y plus 10 is equals to 0. So y is equals to 6 you get. And here y is equals to what? Minus 10 by 3. So this is not possible, right? So now we have let root x is equals to y, right? Root x is equal to 6. So x is equals to what? 36, right? So this was easy question only, Dhananjay. Okay, the total herd is what? 36. All right.
okay, sir.
Okay, so what we have done in the last class, last class also we have discussion about the few questions only, right? And last class till where we have done 4.2 or 4.3 till where we have done? Anyone can tell me? Yes. Yuan, still you are off your camera. Long back, you are not responding anything. You come to the class, you go simply, right? Yuan, Karthik?
Sir, no, sir, I was absent for the past 2 weeks.
I know that you are absent. Last class you are present.
And no, sir.
You are there in the meeting. Last class I've seen you. You are there. You can check.
Sir, that time I was having some network issues.
Okay. So when you don't have network issue, you should on and you should respond something, no? Your presence is not means I mean anything, you are not saying anything in the anywhere. Yes, tell me who is asking something.
Sir, can you send those 2 questions in WhatsApp, sir?
Yeah, I'll send. 1 minute.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll send. You will remind me that this one end of the class, okay?
Okay, sir, fine, sir.
So 4.2 we are doing or 4.3? What we are doing last class? 4.2 we have not done, I believe, right?
We have to start.
Yeah, this only I told you about this one, right? 4.2 we have to
Yes.
start, correct? So all of you do this question. Question number this one is split in the middle term only. This question number this. All of you try what we can get the split in the middle term. Split the middle term. 10x square minus 5 root 5x minus 7.
Sir, I got the splitting, sir, but I'm not understanding what to get comments.
Hello, Sreshi.
Sir, I'm saying that I got the splitting, sir, but I'm not understanding what to take comments.
Okay. What to take common you are not getting, right? Okay, tell me the splitting part only, Sreshi.
Sir, I got splitting as plus 7 root 5x minus 2 root 5x
10x square, then after plus
plus 2 root 5 plus sorry minus 2 root 5x.
minus 7 root 5x, right? What you told, tell correctly once again.
Sir, I'm telling I got plus 7 root 5x and minus 2 root 5x.
How this will come? This is minus 5 root 5. How this plus and minus will be there?
Okay, minus.
Plus 7 minus 2 will become plus 5 now.
Yes, yes. Sorry, sir.
Answer is correct only. You should change the sign. That's all. Minus 7 root 5x and plus 2 root 5x. Minus 7 is equal to 0, like this. Children, those who are not understanding, try to understand over here. This 10 into 7 is 70. Minus 70x square. Okay. And your sum is minus 5 root 5x. So children, what you should do, I'm telling you once again here. there are two parts over here in which you should get one positive, one negative, one positive, one negative. So one thing is for sure that root 5 should come in both, because sum of both is what? Root 5x. The root 5 should come here, as well as root 5 should come in the second bracket also. The second bracket also root 5 should come, compulsory. If you add this root 5 and root 5, it will come what? 5. So what is left out in 70 now? If 5 already taken here in multiplication, so left out is 14 part, right? So how you can split it 14 into 2 parts, so that on multiplying this both, it becomes 70, and on addition it becomes minus 5 root 5x. So you can take it as plus 2 and minus 7. Okay, because 14 is split in 7 and 2. And if you add, children, you will get minus 5 root 5x. And if you multiply, you will get 70 root x square. Anyone having doubt in this? Tell me.
No.
So you can do what is now, how to split, how to take common. Common you are not getting here.
Yes, sir.
Anyone tell, any can say me what is common in first two and last two?
So first two we can take root 5x is common, and the second two we take 1.
Yeah, root 5x is common, so we can write it as 2 root 5x.
Minus 7.
Children, you may not understand. If you are not understanding, you ask. In 10, if you take root 5 as common, so 2 root 5x will come as pending, and then minus 7, right? In second part, nothing is common, so take plus 1 common. 2 root 5 minus 7 is equals to 0. So you can write again 2 root 5x. 2 root 5x minus 7. In other bracket, root 5x plus 1 is equals to 0. So this is a way of writing. The x is equals to 7 by 2 root 5. And 1 by root 5 you will get minus 1 by root 5, correct? So these are the answers. In this way, you can get splitting the middle term, okay? One by root 5 minus 1 by root 5, 7. Yeah, correct only. Dhananjay, you got correct answer. Next question I'll give based on this only. Okay, one question I'm having here. 1 minute. The mobile only, that question was there. I given someone today. So question is, write down 5 root 5x square. In NCERT, questions were very easy. That's why I'm giving here these questions. 5 root 5 x square plus 30x plus 8 root 5. This is easier than the previous one. Is equals to 0. Split now. This one is easier than previous one. This will be useful for polynomials also. These questions are useful for polynomials to split, to find the roots of the equation. Dhananjay, you got 2 by root 5, right?
minus
And here minus 4 root 5 by 5. Yeah, correct only. So splitting the middle term you can understand, right? Okay, here also you can do this question also. Okay, the third one also you can try. If you're done with that, you can try the third one here, what I mentioned here. But don't see the answers down. Then we start the questions down. Second main we'll start then after this.
Sir, once can you tell what you got the answer for the before question, sir?
This question you're asking,
Yes, sir.
what is there in that? What is the product to tell me?
200.
And sum is 30x. So 20 and 10, what is wrong in this? 20x and 10x, that's all no. Why people are not able to do this? Only Dhananjay has answered. You already have done this.
Oh yes, I'm done.
Okay, answer is?
So I got the same answer. I might have mixed up the signs though.
Okay. So 5 root 5 x square and plus 20x
नहीं मैं
plus
पूछ रही
10.
थी सर क्या
Hey,
करेक्ट है
Shreyashi. Shreyashi, mute your mic. तो गुस्सा हो जाती है तो तुरंत एकदम, हाँ? फुल गुस्सा. So here 5 root 5 and 20. What is common here? 5 root 5 only is common. Then we can write here. Sorry, 5 root 5 x common, right? 5 root 5 x. So x plus 5 into no. 5 4s are 20.
You
No?
have to take only 5x is common.
Only 5x is common. Sure.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
5 root 5 and 20. Only 5 is common. This is 5 into 4. Okay. Okay, 5 into 4 is there. No, okay. Only 5 x is common. Correct.
Yeah, you can take root 5 also. It's common.
5 root 5 also can take common.
The root 5 also.
You can take root 5 also common. How you
Yes,
can
so
take
that's so only root 5x you can take, right?
only root 5. Here 20 is there now.
5x, root 5x.
If you are considering this and this, suppose if you're considering this one and this one first, then root 5x is okay.
Oh, okay, sir.
I'm considering 5 root 5 and 20, no? That's why.
So you can
Fi-
take it as 5x plus 4 root 5 also.
So 1 minute, you tell me what I can take. Root 5x plus 4. And here you can take common as 2. 2 root 5 is common over here. Okay. So we'll get same thing. Root 5x plus 4. Okay. Like this we get. So two parts are root 5x plus 4. You should be careful of that here. Okay. Root 5 is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 4 by root 5. Or we can write minus 2 root 5 by 5. That's all. This is the final answer. Okay, now we'll start the second question. Okay, second when we'll start. See, the question is find the two numbers. All of you know this one, right? That whose sum is 27 and product is 82. So what are the numbers I should let here? Tanishka, let two numbers whose sum is 27 and product
The
is,
first number is x and the second number is 27 minus x.
yeah, all of you split and tell me the answer for this. Let two numbers be.
So for
Yes.
the earlier one, we're getting a different solution as well.
Where right now, what we did right now?
The 5 root 5x square plus 30x plus 8 root 5.
If you cancel that, then you can get some different answer maybe, okay? Suppose here minus, what are you getting the answer? Tell me different answer, tell me. Which
I
answer
took
you
root 5x is common and I'm getting the solutions as
get? No, solution you tell. Solution you tell directly, solution.
root 5x plus 2 and 5x plus 4 root 5.
Root 5x plus 2.
Uh,
And second one is
5x plus 4 root 5.
4 root 5, okay. So see, from first what you get the answer? Minus 2 by root 5, correct? Right, no? And
Minus
Let
2.
me just realize it, sir. It will be the
yeah,
same
yeah,
answer.
understood what is she's telling, understood. And second part, you're getting minus 4 root 5 by 5, correct? If you solve this, if you find the value of x, correct?
Yeah.
So these both are same, you can't compare. This both and this both are same. You tell me why these both are same. These both are not same. Only if root 5 you can cancel with 5, that is root 5, that this answer can match with this.
Yes.
Again,
sir.
first part you multiply root 5 up and down, that's all.
Okay, so both of them are correct, right? Like,
Both of them are same answer, then what correct? There's nothing difference here.
So we just have to rationalize it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let two numbers be x and 27 minus x. Anyone got the answer for this third one? So x
Yes,
into 20. Yeah, tell me, Dhananjay, you got?
yes, sir.
You splitting the middle term, what you got? Splitting the middle term, you tell?
Sir, x square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182.
The 14x and 13x you are saying, right?
Yes.
So x square minus 27x and plus 180 is equals to 0. So children, split the middle term, you will get it as x square minus
So
13x.
isn't it 182?
180, oh, and 182. Correct. It's 182. 182, 182, 182. And here is x square minus 13x minus 14x plus 182 is equals to 0. So x minus 13 and minus 14, x minus 13 is equals to 0. So x will be what? Minus x will be 13 and 13, 14, right? Yes. So there are two cases. Case one, if x will be what? 13. So 27 minus x will be 14. Like this you should write. Case two, if x is equals to what? 14, then 27 minus x would be 13. So like this you have to write answers. Don't write this only, answer is over. Not like that. So this also you should write case and then get the answers. Next question you see. The two consecutive positive integers Find the two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is 365. Sum of whose square is 365. Okay. So consecutive positive integers. Monish. Vihan, today you are full. What you have done?
Yes, sir.
Shravani,
Yes, sir.
you are the new one, right?
Yes, sir.
So you understanding what we are just discussing over here?
Sir, is it linear equations in two variables?
There's there is only one variable in this. See, there's no two variables in this question.
I'm actually unable to see your screen, sir. So I'm just depending upon whatever you're saying.
Okay. Just again, I'm just sharing once again. Just check it out.
Okay, sir.
It's shared already. If you're not,
Now I'm able to see, sir.
if you won't say, how do we get to share once again? Nihal, same problem was there with Nihal also last class. So
Okay.
now you can see when you
Yes,
joined.
sir.
When you joined the class.
Around 2 minutes ago, sir. I was not able to join the class.
Okay,
Because-
fine. All right.
Yes, sir.
Because I have admitted everyone, so I can't get to know who is admitting, who is leaving, and all. That's why I asked you.
Okay, sir.
You see, this question here is two consecutive positive integer.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what are two consecutive positive integer? We can take it at here. What we can take? Two consecutive positive integers.
We can take it as x and x plus 1.
Yes, we can take x and x plus 1. So sum of whose squares is 365. Then after that, what? How to write?
Sum of whose squares? Yes,
Sum
sir.
of
So,
both squares is 365. Then
so it's so we have to basically square each part. So it's x square and then product of x plus 1 whole square is equals to
yes,
365.
correct. So now you understood which chapter is this?
Yes, sir.
Which one?
Linear equations and two variables.
Still linear equation only. Linear equation is power is 1, no? Then linear equation power is 1, right?
Okay, quadratic equation. Yes, sir.
Quadratic equation.
Yes,
X
sir.
plus 1 square is equals to 365.
Yes, sir.
Then we are solving over here and getting this one.
Yes, sir. I've gotten the same.
So x square plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 365. So 2x square plus 2x and minus 364 is equals to 0. Again, you can divide by 2 also to make it easier. So x square plus x minus 182 is equals to 0. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Then split the middle term, children, all of you. What will the splitting the middle term will come? Which term will come if you split it? Dhananjay, you got the answer for this?
Sir, maybe minus 14 and 13.
Minus 14 and 13.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You want Karthik, you solved? Monish, your camera
Sir,
is all the time off. You won't speak anything. You are just solving and keeping quiet, right?
No, sir, just a second. I'm just turning on my camera.
Ivan Karthik, what is your problem? You tell after you immediately you off if I won't see you, right?
Sir, no, sir, my camera was on till now.
Your camera was on from that time only.
Yes, sir.
Means I am a big liar, right?
This is a no, sir. I was drinking water, so that's I asked for a second.
When I spoke to you, then you just on the camera, okay? Before that, your camera was off. Same with
sir,
Sana
X is
also,
13
right?
plus
Sana
1 is 14.
plus 14 and 13.
Yes, sir. Sir, I got X as 13 and X plus 1 as 14.
Okay.
Like that.
So X on solving, you people get X is equals to 14. No, 13 and minus 14, right? On solving this. So positive integer they're saying, so you should write in exam. This is neglected or rejected. You should write rejected as this is not positive, as this is not positive. Okay, you should neglect. You should write in exam. Medha Anthony, you are not getting how this 13 and minus 14 is coming over here. So you can write it as x square plus 14x. Vihan, still your this thing is not over. Your medicine is not got over. Tell me, Vihan, can you hear me? (13x minus x plus 14). So on solving, you will get children here x plus 14 and x minus 13 is equals to 0. So we'll get answer as 13 and minus 14, in which we neglect this minus 14 wala part. Okay. Then our answer is only what? 13 and x plus 1 is 14. That's all. Clear? Okay, next question of you understand. The altitude of right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13, then find the other two sides. You can find easily. What are the other two sides? Who will tell me? If your hypotenuse is 13 and altitude of right angle triangle is 7 less than its base. Sana, how to let all this?
Sir, we can directly say the answer is 12 and 5, sir.
In exam also tell like that only.
No, sir, we have to solve.
Okay. In exam, if it is given like this, 52, then what do you say? You say like this, 48. 20, like this you tell. How do you say, Sreyashi, this one? If hypotenuse is root 113, then what do you say? Suppose hypotenuse is root 113. IMCQ you can say, right?
Yes, sir.
So how to let this one, Yuvan, Karthik, how to let here? What you should let for BC and AB?
Sir, I'm still a little confused over there, sir. I was absent.
What confusion is here? Only simple concept is there. Only first line you see. Altitude of right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. We are comparing base and altitude. Which is lesser? Altitude is lesser or base is lesser here?
Altitude.
Altitude is lesser from base, right?
Yes, sir.
So which one you should let here?
Altitude.
What do you write for altitude?
I don't know.
So difference between BC and AB, if you see, it's 7, right? So you can let in two ways. Either you can let this BC as X and this is X minus 7. Okay, because here see, if base is X here, altitude is what? X minus 7, correct?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if you take AB as a X, this will be what? X plus 7, correct? Either
Yes,
of the
sir.
ways you can just do this. All right. Apply
Oh.
Pythagoras theorem and get the answer. So any
Oh,
ways
yeah.
you can just solve and do. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I understood it now.
Now apply the Pythagoras theorem and get the answer for X. Then
Okay.
X and X plus 7 you can get.
Yes, sir.
So all of you got this answer, I believe. Though now next question, last question of this exercise actually. This question is small thing you should understand over here. Try to understand this first. A cottage industry products certain number of poultry articles in a day. So it was observed that how many of people understood this question? That you tell me first. How many of you are getting this? Dhananjay, they have taught in your class, no? This chapter?
Sir?
Dhananjay, they have done in your class, right?
Yes, sir. But I didn't get this question. Actually, I don't understand anything in my school, sir.
The school, you didn't understand anything.
Yes.
Means you're not listening to them, right?
No, sir. Actually, my maths teaches very fast. So I don't understand.
Very fast.
Yes, sir.
Very fast means 1/2 an hour, 10 questions, will finish it off.
Like he completed 5 chapters in like a month, sir.
5 chapters in a month.
Like 2 months, sir. 5 chapters in 2 months.
So we can also do that only now. That speed we are also taking, and I'm taking only 3 days in a week, 1 hour.
But I don't understand him, sir.
Because if we start properly, no, in 1 week, 1 chapter is easily we can do, right?
Yes.
Anyone wants to give suggestion? I'm going fast or very slow. Anyone, I need to improve something. Any one of you tell me? Yes, children, any one of you? I'm going very slow or fast. Mera Hansini, I'm going so fast for you, right? Hansini. She won't speak no, actually. Her mic is not working. Nobody is perfect, right? So something you want to improve in me. Tell me, children. Anyone wants to improve any implication you want to do? Tanishka, Monish? Huh?
Nothing.
Nothing. Nothing correction required. Dhananjay and Shreyashi?
No, sir. Nothing.
More extra questions,
No.
exemplar sums like that. We should do extra sums, right? Exemplar more. No, that is where we are right. Okay, just try to understand this question only. A cottage industry produces a certain number of poultry articles in a day. It was observed that, see, how many articles they are producing every day? You let it as X. First, you let that the cottage industry produces how many poultry articles? X articles in a day. Okay, that you do first. See, first one is that only I have written. Let number of articles produces is what? X per day. In a day, how many articles? X. Then next line, first line is clear now. Second line, it was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article. See, there are X article one day they are producing. So each article cost what they have given? Cost of production of each article. See, each article is mentioned was 3 more than twice the number of articles. Here you will get confused. By seeing this part only, your mood will go off, right? The production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced that day. See, this part seeing only, people will get confused, right? So simply you keep on writing the things what they have given here. See, this part what they have given here, that you write. See, cost of production right here, COP, cost of production. This is not police. COP is what? Cost of production is equals to, of each article, they're saying each article, cost of production of each article was 3 more than means 3 plus 3 more than twice the number of articles produced in day, twice the number of articles produced. So this is the price of what? Cost of production of each particles, means each article cost is how much? 3 plus 2x. See, in one day they are producing X articles, and one article cost is how much? 3 plus 2x. So they are asking here, if the total production on that day was rupees 90, total cost of production is 90. It means that this, if you multiply this both numbers, this both, if you multiply, right, what you will get? You will get 90, correct or not? Understood? So on one day production is X, cost of production is 3 plus 2x. You multiply both numbers and cost of production, you will get the price, and that price is given over here as what? How much? 90. Okay. So in the question, what they're asking, what we have to find here? Find the number of articles produced and cost of each article. So number of articles means find the value of X, and cost of each article means 3 plus 2x. You have to just put the value of X over there. That's all. So all of you multiply this and get the answer for X first. You multiply X and 3 plus 2x and write is equals to 90. This and this you multiply and write is equals to 90 and get the answer for X. So on solving, what you get is, you will get, I have not solved also here. So answer is 50 minus 15 by 2 and 16. So you can check it out here. 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equals to 0. Okay. I think you can get here 9 to the 80, 180, right? So 180x square in minus, and product is 3x. So again, 12 and 15. 15 and 12 will get, okay? So plus 15 minus 12. You can take and get the answer, okay? So
Sir,
minus 15. Yes.
Sir, I got the answers.
Answer you got minus 15 by 2 and 6, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the answer. So this is what? Cost of production or number of articles?
Number of articles.
This is number of articles.
That's number of articles, sir. X is 6.
And what is cost of production?
Sir, cost of each article will then be 15, sir. 50 rupees.
Yeah, that's all. So this exercise got finished. Okay. This exercise got finished. All right, children.
Okay, sir.
So Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll close the meeting for today. Okay. So see you in on Saturday. All right.
Okay, sir.
Leave for the day. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you so
you, sir.
much.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.